Hey everyone, good morning, good morning. Kristen Grace McGarry here. I'm trying to find good lighting. Whoa, not having great success. Anyway, good morning, Grand Rising, buenos dias. I am here in Irvine, California. I wanted to share some quick tips with you about self-healing empowerment. So I'm here because many of you don't know that I am in a doctoral program for Medical Qi Gong. And I'm here with Sifu Dr. Jerry Allen Johnson and a group of about 60 of my Qigong brothers and sisters. And we are practicing many hours a day. And what is so cool about Qigong, if you're not aware of what it is it's exercises, movements to heal yourself, working with your own vital life force energy, working to purge out old stagnation, trauma, pain, toxicity, emotions, and fill with vital life force energy from the planet and the cosmos. And we're here working on ourselves and each other, but also learning techniques to share with you, to share with our clients and our patients so that you can be empowered to heal yourself. Everything from horrific cancerous tumors to the common cold, joint pain, autoimmune issues, gut health, brain functioning. Yesterday we worked with the liver a lot. Today we're going to work with the spleen and the pancreas. We're learning protocols to help people who have diabetes, to help people who have inflammatory diseases. Well, almost every disease has an inflammatory component. And so I'm learning these new ways of working with my own energy so that I can better teach you and empower you how to work with your own energy. So although I'm a healthcare provider and I do Asian medicine and acupuncture and functional medicine, and I'm an author and a speaker, and I do advanced cranial sacral therapy and homeopathy and different kinds of injection therapy, I also am all about empowerment. And I want to empower you with techniques and tools so that you can take your body, your mind, your spirit to the next level, meaning more connected to your highest self, to your wholeness, to your health. And so this is my update about what I'm doing so that I can better support and empower you. So I'm considering holding a free either weekly or monthly Qigong class. So if you're interested in Qigong, go ahead and type a message below and say yes. And I'll reach out to you and let you hear when I'm going to do this. If you're interested in learning some very simple but powerful exercises so you can heal yourself, be your most vibrant, energetic self, age with grace and ease, and have fun in community, type yes below, and I'll be in touch with you when I set this class up. All right, many blessings and vibrant health to you today. Bye for now.